Welcome to another part of the gameplay. This is right after the other gameplay, so I'm gonna begin my quest. Monster. Oh, we could get this? I really wanted this. Puffball, it looks cute. It has a rainbowish horn. Oh, and we could get this. That'll evolve into that. That's cool. A chick is cute. I really want this. This has a rainbow horn. Yeah, rainbow horns, they're good. They're good. Who thinks they're good? Okay, fine. I'm gonna do another one. Story. What? Oh, new. This is Sprout 2. What are over here? Okay. I'm gonna try this. Oh, I could add this guy. Yeah, I'm not really thinking about having a friend right now. Oh, yes. I seriously have no idea. I'm just randomly tapping. La 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 la. Ember Peep, doesn't this seat give you special superpowers? I must have it. Oops, I randomly tapped again. KO! I hope my super rare will evolve also. And to make maybe look a bit cooler. Sometimes when something evolves, it looks even worse. Hello, Master. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, Master. Goldbat, thanks to you, the world will be at peace again. I have a present for you. Do you want to follow me to the store? It said, do you. That doesn't mean I said yes. Oh, well, I actually did want to, though. This is it. The store is where energy and gold flow like water. You can use your gems and friend points here. First, let's meet a new monster using your friend points. Blue cube. Purchase. And what do I get? Good or bad? Hello, Master. Hello, Master. Good to see you. Did you get the monster that you wanted? Using the friendship cube is a great way to get monsters easily. This time, let's use gems to get a stronger monster from the yellow. Yes, yellow cube. Super rare. Oh yes, that looks really cool. I love that monster. The only bad thing is that its eyes and tongues are out. But other than that, yes, it looks really cool. Nice job! A powerful monster has become your ally. I can tell the monster is eager to battle. Head to the next field. Equip new monsters here. Your new monster has super high HP. Set it as your leader. This is the last field on Sprout Island. Good luck. Oh, cool. I really want that rainbow thingy. Even if it's weak. Oh, the eyes doesn't look that bad when it's in battle. It looks better when it's in battle, actually. I thought it would look bad in battle. And its tongues isn't out. It looks so much better when it's in battle. That's really great. I'll take out any chump that tries to mess up my seed harvest. Oh my gosh, you can attack two. What? I already won? Oh my gosh, yeah, so amazing. This game. Oh yes, I just got that one. That one, yeah, it's the special one that was a you want. Yeah. 2 is better than 1, 3 is better than 2. Head to the team and put me in the third slot. This is Team Tab. Now go find me in the inventory and tap me. I'll show you that empty third slot. Thanks, this is a good slot. I love the third monster slot. Too much pressure being the first. That's only for team leader who determines team type. Too much pressure for me. Anyway, you can switch slots with touching monsters like that. Handy, right? I actually not gonna use that monster. I'm gonna use train. No. My team. I actually want this to be this to be this. And yeah, I think that's it. Oh, I have too much water. I need a bit more diversity. But yeah, yes, I got 2 super rares. This is only the beginning, so obviously it's easy. Oh, I already can claim some. Beat 50 monsters. Now, I only have 5 gems. When I get 30, I'll show you unboxing. And I don't spend any money, so it's going to be really hard for me to level up. Sprout Island? Ooh, Sprout Island 4! The monsters I can get over here. I really don't want the pecan guy. But I can't get, whatever. The monster that I do want to get from here is this monster. Fruit. Bee fruit. It looks cute, that's why. I don't always like cute stuff. Sometimes I want strong stuff, so yeah. And I usually like it if my monsters look a bit cooler. Oh, cool. He's the Minecraft guy. That's pretty cool. So, I don't really like my second monster that much. I know it's just because it creeps me out. It sort of looks like an evil henchman or something. Oh well, I better not judge on looks. Don't judge a book by its cover. I feel sad, but whatever. I can't believe these rookies defeated me. I'll get them after I get you. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, I get 10 gems for... Yes, Coven, okay. Another one? Seriously? I keep getting water monsters. Leave. There's no time, only now, okay. Sprout is 5. Sprout 5. This will be the last level I'll play before I... Wait, I'm gonna see how much minutes I have. Okay, I think I'll do one more level. Continue. Oh, so that's how it looks when it evolves. That's pretty cool. Like, all you can come up with is a rare seed. That thing wouldn't even make a good snack. Yeah, first clear reward is 2. Seriously, level 4 gives you more rewards. Oh, cool. Oh my gosh. That one looks so cute. I actually really wanted that also. Oh, need the strong. Recognize the strong. Inventory expanded. Go get more monsters. Yes. And I think this is the last one I do. This is the last one I'm going to do right now. I hope this is the last level of Sprout Island. Because, yeah. And I thought they said the last level was already happened. So I was like, what? How come there's more levels? Oh, these are all so cute. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get a lot of gems. Yes, gems. Hopefully I can buy another one. Rare thing. It really was a regular seed. Why are you even here? Spider. Actually, I'm not really that scared of spiders. Oh yeah, and KO by my leader. Yes. My swordfish usually KOs for some. What? Only one gem for clearing that? That is so weird. Come in, okay. Oh yes, another one of these cute thingies. So that is the last level I'm doing. I'm gonna stop recording now. Bye bye.